Hello everyone. Next question is about what is an escape? Canal escape. What are the different type of escapes? Explain the working of the each type. A canal escape is a structure constructed on irrigation canal for a disposal of surplus water from the canal. It is a sort of a safety valve. Next is the necessity of surplus water escape. Surplus water may be occur in a canal channel because of the following reason. First is a mistake or definitely irregulation at the head of the canal. Second is a heavy rainfall in upper reaches of the channel when the channel is already running full. Third is a sudden closure of outlets by cultivators due to the decrease in demands of the water. Fourth is a sudden closure of any off-taking canals due to the breach. If the surplus water allowed to go to the lower reaches of the canal, it may overflow the banks and causes breaches. It is therefore necessary to dispose of excessive water through a surplus escape. A message is sent to the operator at the head regulator to reduce the supply or close the supply, but it is not for intermediate help. The effect of such reductions in water supply is felt only when, sometimes depending upon the distance of the affected reaches from the head regulators. When a branch takes place, the channel must close from the head, and soon as intimation reaches the head, this is done. But the channel from the head to the branch is full of water, and if all the water were to rush out of the branch, it will widen and deepen the branches. If escape of the sufficient capacity exists on the upstream of the branch side, all the water can be passed out through the escapes. The surplus water escapes are therefore the safety valves for the irrigation canals channel systems. Type of escape. There are the types of escapes. First is based on classification of the purpose. First is a surplus water escape. Second is a canal scouring escape. And third is a tail escape. Based on classification on the structural design. First is for regulator type escape or sluice type escape. Second is a weir type escape. First is a surplus water escape. A surplus water escape is a structure constructed on a irrigation channel to dispose of surplus water from the channel. It is also known as a canal surplus escape. Surplus escape those are two type: regulator type or weir type. Surplus water escape. This is a design. Full supply level is here. This is get provided. Road on upper side get lifted from here, and this is the escape of the canal. So the escape are provided in the banks of the canals at interval depending on the importance of the channels and vicinity of the suitable drainage natural drain or river for disposal of the surplus water. It means जो ज़्यादा पानी है एक्स्ट्रा वाटर है उसको निकालने के लिए the channels leading surplus water from escape to natural drain is called escape channels or outfall channels. The escape must be so located that the length of the escape channel is minimum as far as possible. So length of the channel is a minimum. The capacity of the escape channels may be one third or one half of the capacity of the channels. Second is a canal scouring escape. If the canal scouring escape is constructed in the banks of the canal for the purpose of scouring of excess silt from the time to time, these escapes are usually provided only in a head reaches of the main canal. The discharge capacity of the canal scouring escape should be about head one half to the two-third of the capacity of the main canal at the end. From the escape, water with the scoured silt is led through the shortest possible escape channels to the nearest drainage natural drain. But nowadays, instead of scouring escapes, silt ejectors are provided in the head of the main canals. Third is a tail escape. An irrigation canal generally ends in a natural drain or a river. An escape is provided access the channels at the tail end to maintain the required full supply level at the tail end. Such an escape is called a tail escape. This is a figure for a telescope you have to draw during the examination. Thank you.